Hello, I'm Brandon Chase, and my speech is on global warming. Today I'm going to talk about the causes, effects, and solutions to global warming. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide, CO2, and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. These heat-trapping pollutants, specifically carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and synthetic fluorinated gases are known as greenhouse gases. The Earth's climate has changed naturally several times over the last 800,000 years. But the current era of global warming is directly attributed to human activity, specifically to our burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gasoline, and natural gases, which result in the greenhouse gas effect. In the United States, the biggest contributor to greenhouse gases is transportation, 29%, followed by electricity production, 28%, and industrial activity, 22%. Seeing what causes global warming, let's now take a look at the effects it has. Scientists, you can get the next one. Then the next one. Scientists and NASA say global warming can cause sea ice loss, accelerated sea level rise, and longer, more intense heat waves. All these alone are terrible for the environment, but when put together, it's a catastrophe. Today, the Earth's climate has already risen 2 degrees since the pre-industrial times. It is expected to reach 3 degrees in the next few decades. This might not seem like a lot, but it will destroy many ecosystems that require certain temperatures to flourish. The severity of effects caused by climate change will depend on the path of future human activities, according to NASA. More greenhouse gas emissions will lead to more climate extremes and widespread damaging effects across our planet. However, those future effects depend on the amount of carbon dioxide we emit. So if we can reduce emissions, we may avoid some of the worst effects. Now that I've talked about the cause and effect of global warming, let's move to the solutions. You can move to the next one. I can move this. One solution to saving is saving energy at home. A lot of the energy we use at home comes from coal, oil, and gas. We can lower use by turning off lights when it's not absolutely necessary for them to be on. Another way is to wash your clothes with cold water and hang them to dry instead of using a dryer. Another great and simple solution that anybody can do is to switch to LED light bulbs. They are a little bit more expensive than the traditional light bulbs, but they produce 80% less greenhouse gases than their traditional counterparts. There's also the option, which is it can't happen for everybody, is to switch to electric cars and solar panels, because those are the most eco-friendly options available. But these options can be pricey and it's impossible to make everybody change. So with that, the health of the earth is rapidly declining. We need to take action to prevent global warming become irreversible. There are many ways anyone can reduce their carbon footprint. With that, I invite you all to discuss this topic further with any questions or statements you would like to ask. Thank you.
I made a sign for you. You want me to read it?